Okay, I'm back with part 2. So I found a mason jar lid, this bit of metal, this pot piece, this plastic lid, this metal ring, this toy car, Spider-Man, a piece of plastic, this glass plate, this bag, this metal pipe, whatever this is. If you can explain it in the comments, I'd like that. Thank you. This rock that had a bit of metal on it, like there. This brick piece. These two pieces of glass. This little ring. This crawdad claw. This plank of wood. And some pot pieces. But the best thing of all I found was this lighter. So yeah, nice. And this is so far. So yeah, that's it for looking at my Mamaws Creek. Bye.